Mayor, Honorable Elvira Yuba Balcon. To our visionary and dynamic Vice Mayor, Honorable Attorney Eunice Yuba Balcon, and the members of the Sangguniang Bayan presently, Honorable Glenn Tan, Honorable Bangbang, Honorable Omar, our ABC President, Honorable Nito Babalcon, our Municipal Administrator, Ma'am May Derby Babalcon, men and women in uniform, headed by Captain Manuel Oricaldi Jr., from the PNP, from the BFP, SFO 4, Arnel Rabadam, heads of offices, national government agencies present today, our visitors, of course, from the Institute for Climate and Sustainable Cities. Di rin na ito nag-visit dira. Casual and job order employees, visitors, a pleasant Monday morning to all. Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office accomplishments and activities from February to May 2026. On February 5, we conducted a refresher training on basic life support and standard first aid for our responders and work immersion students. On February 14, we provided standby medics and provided traffic assistance to sa Melco 2 during their lakad takbo, power on the run, fun run activity. We also joined the tree planting activity at Poblacion 1 with the LGU scholars on February 27. We conducted the first quarter nationwide earthquake drill at Samelco 2, wherein na-practice dahil nira during the earthquake. Actually, may da mga nagsaring hamon nga. Dako ko nun gamit ang drill. Yan nila ta LGU during ang pag-earthquake. Di ba nagamitan natin drill? We also conducted orientation training on basic life support and standard first aid during the Linggo ng Kabataan at Barangay Maylobi. And ang Barangay Maylobi on March 22. And we also provided standby medics during the Semana Santa. We conducted the CBUS-L or the Community-Based Early Warning System for Landslide Maintenance activity on April 14. On April 16, we attended the Gawad Kalasag Caravan wherein we are already waiting for the call for entry for the 2025 Gawad Kalasag. Waray pa maghatag ng OCD. And then, our ARTs, we send 7 ARTs to attend the Basic Incident Command System training course on April 29 to May 1 in Tanawan, Leyte. We also conducted orientation on basic life support and basic first aid training to NGCP security personnel, barangay officials and volunteers of Barangay Pabanog on May 13. We also provided standby medics and provided assistance during our eco-learner activity in Olot Watershed. Kaduhan na dito kabatsa namon na nakuanan na tagad natin assistance. Then, we also provided traffic assistance and standby medics during the fun run activity for the fiesta of Barangay Pabanog, and also provided standby medics during the cleaned up drive up sa Melco 2 as requested po Nira. And assistances for transportation, we assisted transportation to Baybay, SSU, Right National. Then for the vehicular accidents report, as always, we have responded 39 vehicular accidents, 35 na lang since February. And of course, the top causes of vehicular accidents in Paranas is number 1, driver error. Ikaduha na lang, drunk driving. Pero during the month of May, as expected, drunk driving is the number 1 cause of vehicular accident in Paranas. And for the medical assistance, we have assisted 61 patients and mga napakuhay ni dito niya mga barangays. 61 patients from February up to May. Damo itaton kuan kay nakiter kasi kita bisan tatawat mga taga-Aritsyo. Bisan masakit lat tamurag ko. And that's all po for the accomplishments and activities of the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. Thank you once again and good morning.